and gentlemen, welcome to another vlog. Today, we're going to talk about Snowfall in Gilgit. And I think it's been 35 years since it has snowed like this, as you can see. Wow. And right now, gonna go and take some cinematographic shots. And I have my friends here with me. Aliasan, would you like to join the vlog? Come here. Alias is right here.
So hello guys.
How are you feeling? The snowfall in Gilgit. Have you experienced something like this before?
No, it's like the first time since I opened my eyes, and I have talked to the elder ones, and they said that they haven't even seen such a snowfall like this.
In
so
Gilgit
yeah, it's
City.
great. Yeah, and it's constantly going.
Yeah, it's
like
going
2
on.
days.
Yeah,
Yes,
2
it's going
days.
on. And it's still going on.
Yeah, it's still going on. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but as you can see, this is stuff. Oh my god! I have two other my friends here, Saved and Majid. Majid also makes videos and he's a cinematographer. So he has a drone today, and we're gonna take some drone shots, right, Majid?
Yeah.
Majid right here. Hey, this is Majid, guys. You can see, guys. Wow. There's a snowman already built here. Somebody built a weird snowman. This doesn't even have hands. Look at his eyes. Okay guys, so here you can see the drone. Majid is setting up the drone. Majid has his own YouTube channel called Majid
Films.
Majid Films. Go there right now. Subscribe right now, guys. Stop the video. Go there. Subscribe. Link is in the description. Okay. And see.
Right now I'm configuring
So he's
Mavic Air with my mobile.
Okay, he's gonna configure it, and then soon we'll be on our way. Guys, Majid is done with the configuration. Here it goes. Guys, I'm wearing the hat. Looks good on me. And people are taking some pictures here. Oh my god, I hope you loved the drone shots, guys. I hope you loved the drone shots. Having fun. Ouch. You're trying to hit me, you missed. And we're gonna go up there now. Right there, yeah, we're gonna go up there, we're gonna hike up there, and we're gonna take more drone shots, and we're gonna explore. We're gonna have fun, alright? Let's go, guys! We've started our journey. We're gonna go up there. You can't even see what's going on. Oh, no! No, guys, no. I'm holding the camera. Don't hit me. No. Oh my god.
Are you filming right now?
Yes, I am filming. I have to film, man. This is a crazy place to walk. We are in Upper Jutial right now.
It's not Upper Jutial.
What
it's
is
Khomer.
It's Khomer. Oh, sorry. It's Upper Khomer. Look at this beautiful pathway, guys. Ooh. Woo!
I'm also making a vlog.
That's great, man. That's great. Let's go.
You can eat this like that.
That's great, bro. Hey guys, we're gonna
Shoot him.
Yeah, we're gonna shoot him with the snowball. Let's go. Hit it. We're going up there, guys. Oh, I took that hat off. Back to my own original one. Okay. There is no road, guys. We're just literally going up. Ooh, beginner track.
And we don't even know where are we going.
We're just going up there. We have to reach up there, so we're just taking a random path. Let's go. Okay. Well, we have taken a break here, and we're gonna go up there soon. Yeah, we're just taking a rest, as you can see down here. Okay. Sawed wants to sing, so guys, check that out.
ये पीछे जिसके रहे वो कैसा रास्ता है भागे जग ये पीछे जिसके रहे वो कैसा रास्ता है मुझे तो तूने दिखाया दोस्त जो बस हक वो लगता है अब जो दिल कहेगा वही सुनूंगा.
Me and Majid are going to make some way for the other guys. Let's see. Let's go, guys. We've started our journey again. Whew. The view is worth it, guys. I'm gonna tell you. The view is worth it. We're about there, guys. Majid is already up. Let's go. Zawed and Ali Hassan on their way. So, guys, we're here on top. Ali Hassan, how do you feel?
दिल गार्डन हो रहा है. बहुत खुशी हो रही है.
दिल गार्डन हो रही है.
बहुत मजा आ रही है दिल गार्डन हो रही है.
Okay. Look at this. Ooh. We're not gonna go up there, guys. We're here. We're gonna fly some drone, and Majid is
Changing the battery right now.
yeah, changing the battery.
We nearly hunt a markhor, but it was a human.
Okay.
We thought from that side that was a markhor.
But it was
Yeah,
they were human.
it was human.
Oh, look at the view, guys. That's Gilgit City.
रोगी नो ना परमिट.
Yo,
You can't even see the drone, guys. It's that thick.
it's gone.
It's gone.
It's gone.
But you can see it in here.
Oh, I see.
See it? So guys, it all of a sudden got really foggy, and the drone is not working. Majid has closed the drone. It was not working because of the smoke. The sensors were detecting fog. So as you can see, it got foggy really bad, and we have to get back down too. Wow. Whew.